There are few places on Earth where motorsport transcends physics, but the Isle of Man Tourist Trophy is undeniably one. For over a century, the Snaefell Mountain Course has demanded absolute perfection. Now, BMW Motorrad has distilled the adrenaline of this legendary circuit into a road-legal missile, the new BMW M 1000RR Limited Edition Isle of Man TT. Timing is everything in racing. BMW perfectly timed this release to mark the 115th running of the Isle of Man TT in 2026. Because of this, production is strictly capped at just 115 units globally. This hyper-limited run, complete with a milled sequential number on the top yoke, instantly elevates the superbike into an ultra-exclusive collector's artifact. Visually, this motorcycle is an absolute showstopper. It ditches BMW's traditional tricolor M livery for a spectacular British racing green unimatte paint, deeply honoring the UK's motorsport lineage. This aggressive, moody hue is beautifully paired with a hand-finished satin chrome aluminum tank and a bespoke black Alcantara racing seat. What truly sets this edition apart is its fanatical, circuit-specific detailing. Designers meticulously mapped the mountain course directly onto the carbon fiber bodywork. The left fairing charts the track's left-hand turns, the right charts the right-handers, while the M carbon airbox cover bears the complete circuit layout and the iconic TT logo. Beneath this bespoke, tailoring beats the ferocious heart of an apex predator. Fully equipped with the M competition package, its 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine hurls over 200 horsepower to the rear wheel. It retains all the exotic superbike hardware, from massive aerodynamic winglets and M carbon wheels to a thunderous full titanium Akrapovic exhaust. BMW's right to wear the TT badge is written in shattered lap records. Their island connection stretches back to 1939, but in the modern era, the M 1000RR completely rules the mountain. Peter Hickman's mind-bending 136 mile-per-hour average lap record in 2023 proves this edition celebrates a very real reigning dynasty. Ultimately, this limited edition is a masterclass in mechanical storytelling. Expected to approach the $50,000 mark, it arrives track-ready with an M race cover kit and a massive branded pit mat. It's a breathtaking love letter to the Tourist Trophy, proving BMW Motorrad doesn't just participate in racing history, they forge it.